So yesterday, a little bummed that I wasn't able to get any video. Well, I got a little bit of video of the Pedal for Pencils ride, 102 miles. We almost averaged 20 miles per hour for that whole ride. So it was pretty brutal. But also, frame for my gravel bike still hasn't come in. And I've got all these goodies right here. All those SRAM Industry 9 salsa handlebar goodies that I have, and no frame to start mounting all this up on. So getting ready to head over to Salem Lake. Gonna do probably some gravel loops, and after yesterday's ride, don't want to go hard, so I think I want to go find some beer. Go find some good beer and talk about it. Catch you over there.
Made it out here to Salem Lake. Kind of crowded, a little more crowded than I wanted it to be, but I was able to score a decent parking spot, so it was all good. So yesterday's ride was kind of brutal. I'm still feeling a little bit in the legs, but it's such a nice day. Couldn't pass up coming out here for a ride to a couple breweries and having a couple beers. So. Question is which breweries am I going to hit up and which one first? Who knows?
Always I remember your bad dress and how you turned my mind completely into such a mess so easily.
There's just something really satisfying about riding through Old Salem in the fall. All these rustic colors of the buildings and the leaves. It's pretty cool.
And it really came as no surprise. You look beyond comparing every time that I came close to making a move. I froze.
Fiddle and Fish is the first stop. And we're gonna get the best beer.
If I could only be some kind of poet, if I could have my way with words, if only for a day, I would tell you what I feel so you know it, 'cause I would know just what to say, if only I was some kind of poet.
Sunday traffic is brutal in Winston-Salem today. So I guess someone felt the need to park their vehicle on the Greenway.
Strange things happen to me. I lose my way. I don't know what to say. It's always like this, I know it. If I could only be some kind of poet, if I could have my way with words, for a day, I will tell you what I feel to you, know it, 'cause I would know just what to say, if only I was some kind of poet. If only I was a poet.
So you made it this far, so go ahead and check out the video right here, or this one. This is more of a playlist. I think you should check out this playlist. Yeah, that's what you should do. Playlist or video.